Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add bullet and numbered list on Microsoft Word. If you want to organize your points neatly, I will show you how to do just that. So what you need to do is to you first highlight the text you want to turn into a list. All right. So let's highlight all this text. Let's highlight this. Okay. Yes. So you first highlight the text, then you click the bullet icon for a basic dot list. So to do that, you come to the home tab. All right, home tab. Then you come to this place, paragraph, right? Then you will see this. Okay, so you can select from the list of the bullet icon here. Okay, so you can select anyone you like. So for me, let me just select Dex, for example. You can see that everything has a bullet. It has a bullet icon. Okay, all the text are selected. So that is how to do it. Then let's say you want to use number instead. So to do that, let me just undo this. So you highlight it, the text are still highlighted, right? So you come to the numbering here, the numbering library. So you select the style of numbering you want. You can select anyone here. Okay, so let me select this. You see that? So that is how to add bullets and numbered list to any of your text in Microsoft Word. It is very um, easy to use. So that is that. And also, let's say um, if you do not want to highlight it, you can just bring your cursor to the back of the text, then you come here, you select it, and if you want to be doing it one after the other, right, you can also do that without having to highlight it. Okay, so it is very simple and easy to use, right? So that is that. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.